Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on improper fractions to mixed numbers worksheets. Now this video presents a few worksheets where we can practice changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now just very quickly, if you can't remember how to do this, then there is a link at the end of this lesson. If you click on the link, that will take you to the lesson and it explains how to do these exercises. Now very quickly, if you remember, the improper fraction is one where the numerator is larger than the denominator. And in each of those cases you will see the numerator is larger than the denominator. So they're all improper fractions. Now mixed numbers, they occur when you have a whole number and a fraction part. So that's what the mixed number is. It's got two parts to it, a whole number and a fraction part. And finally, the rules for doing these exercises are very simple. The first thing you do is you divide the denominator into the numerator. That's what you do first. That gives you the whole number part. Then the remainder, whatever the remainder is, you place it over the denominator and that gives you the fraction part. So if you do that for all of these examples, you'll get the correct answer. That's exactly how you do it. Now, of course, if you know your tables, this is very, very straightforward. For example, 27 divided by 4, we know that 4 sixes are 24. So 4 goes into there 6 times. And we know what the remainder is. So knowing your tables makes these exercises a lot easier. Let's look at the next slide. So here we have another 8 examples, and exactly the same thing is required. Changing each of those to mixed numbers. A knowledge of tables makes it easy. Finally, just mentioning one more time, if you're not sure or you're a little bit lost into how to do these, when you get to the end of this video, there is a link. If you click on the link, that will actually take you to the lesson which explains how to do all of these exercises. So this video has presented a few slides to give you practice in changing improper fractions to mixed numbers.